Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply Selenium Sulfide Lotion. First, it is crucial to shake the bottle of lotion very well before each use to ensure the ingredients are properly mixed. Next, remember to remove any jewelry, particularly metallic pieces, as the lotion can potentially damage or discolor them. Finally, wet your hair and scalp thoroughly with lukewarm water, preparing the area for effective treatment. Now, let's move on to the application. For your scalp, measure out about 1 or 2 teaspoonfuls, which is roughly 5 to 10 milliliters, of the lotion. Gently massage this into your wet scalp, working it into a good lather. If you are treating a body area, such as for tinea versicolor, apply a thin layer to the affected skin and use a small amount of water to help create a lather. After applying, it's important to let the lotion work. For scalp treatment, allow the lather to remain on your scalp for 2 to 3 minutes. If you are treating your body, leave the lotion on your skin for a full 10 minutes. Once the time is up, rinse the treated area thoroughly with clean water, ensuring all traces of the lotion are removed. For scalp conditions, you may need to repeat the application and rinse again. Regarding frequency, for scalp conditions, you typically use the lotion twice a week for the first 2 weeks, then reduce to once weekly or every 2 to 4 weeks as needed. For body infections, apply it once daily for 7 consecutive days. Remember, this lotion is for external use only, never swallow it. Avoid contact with your eyes and do not apply to broken or inflamed skin. Always wash your hands well after each use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.